Hi everybody, good morning to you. This is Dan Sheridan and happy day after Thanksgiving. I guess they call this Black Friday, so I have a black background on my Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade background. Glad to have you today. And one of the strategies that we're going to feature, new strategy we've come up with in our next online class that starts in a few days, is this double long diagonal. Not a double diagonal, it's a different strategy. Double long diagonal. I'm going to share that with you. And in a second, I'm going to just show you the on-demand course sale that we are doing during the Thanksgiving holidays. This is the big event we do every year where we give 25% off on all our on-demand classes. And I will explain that a little more in a second. But this strategy, this new one, tell you what you like about it. And this is going to be one of the featured strategies in our new class starting next Tuesday. Is if you can look, here's SPX right now as we're trading, which is 36.36. And if I asked you, what do you like in a strategy? I mean, as a retail investor, maybe you work. What are you concerned with? You're concerned with a strategy, at least I would, consistency, decent yield, forget decent, good yield, and with your biggest risk with options trading or stock trading, can handle big move. And here's what's even better, you can have no risk downside. You can even switch it no risk upside, but no risk on the downside, and positive theta. So it's a really good income trade. I think a lot of retail traders will be happy with it because you don't have to do a lot of adjusting and stuff. Positive theta, that's what makes things a good income trade. And it's not a double diagonal. I've talked about a double diagonal. This is different. That doesn't give you, a double diagonal will give you better theta than this, but it doesn't give you, can't handle the price moves. So if you look at this case right here, here's an example of this strategy, at least the graph. I have my slices set here for 3% moves, down and up, right? And we very seldom have 3% moves, and that's, just a gap that we couldn't do anything about. It's a huge move. But if you look at this, here's our graph. We have positive theta, delta neutral. On the downside, no risk. The upside, 3% move up, which very unlikely. Very small loss. And so it's something you really don't have to do a lot of adjusting and stuff with. And so I think you'll be excited about this new strategy. And again, this is one of the strategies that we're going to be covering. If you look at our new on-demand course sale for Thanksgiving, save 25% off on all on-demand classes. And as you click on this, and also if you buy 2 on-demand classes, you get our new upcoming live 3-week class, which will be featuring this double long diagonal that I talked about. And the foundation of this double long diagonal is selling an out of the money call and put. That's where we get our probabilities and time decay from. But if we click on this, folks, you can see here you can see along the right hand side will be your all the way down our strategy classes that we've done this year. On the left, some portfolio classes, and you can see our our last and next upcoming class for the year, Dan's 3 Strategy 2021 Trading Plan, featuring the new double long diagonal trading system that Mark and I will be talking about. And you get this as a special bonus. I mean, you could buy it just individually, but you get it free if you get 2 on-demand classes. And so this 3 strategy trading plan you can use for the rest of the year, you can use for next year. And some of the great features are it's going to have, of this new trading system, is going to have, out of the 3 strategies, one won't have risk on the upside, one won't have risk on the downside. It's neutral vega, so we don't have really much volatility risk at all. So the only we have price risk, but we have a lot of room, especially on this double long diagonal. So I think this is going to be not only a trading plan that you'll like, because of the volatility features and price, how we're tweaking this for the retail trader, but this new strategy that I think is designed for the busy retail trader that wants some consistent income but wants a lot of price protection. So folks, we're excited about that. The sale ends this Sunday, so jump in and do that. Next Tuesday starts our new class. So thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you. And thanks again.